the very end of March, March 31st, and I finally have baby Polydamas swallowtail caterpillars. They're tiny, they're adorable, and we're going to go see them right now. So today is Tuesday, and I brought these eggs in one day last week. Sometimes in the early season, the eggs don't always hatch, but I came out this morning and the eggs that were on the stem, you can see the remnant trace of them were gone. And I was like, where are the caterpillars? I had to keep lifting up. You see them back there? Okay, let's get in closer. Look at these precious, precious little babies. So this has been the slowest start to having butterflies in my garden ever this year since I've started filming. Look, there's a little friend. See that little tiny clear looking guy? Maybe some kind of aphid. I don't know. And I'm going to be the one that makes that change because I'm going to raise these caterpillars and the other ones I'm raising and release the butterflies in my garden. And that's going to get more butterflies. If I just didn't raise them, I would still get them. It would just take longer and I wouldn't have as many. So I love raising them. I love raising these guys. All right. And you know what else is in here? When I was filming my members only video, and I forgot to show y'all this in the last video, hopefully by Thursday I'll have something even better to show you. I have one giant swallowtail egg. One. This is on a tiny, tiny growing back wild lime. And so I know they're out there now, and I'm looking every day to find more. So right now I have, well, this one, if it hatches, Polydamas swallowtails, a ton of Gulf Fritillaries, and Monarchs. Look at this guy, he's going to pupate, and queens. So we are on the way, and I'm here for it. I have a new butterfly. I'm walking slow because I know it's going to fly away. Let me zoom you guys. I think it might be a painted lady. Its flight pattern was totally different. I came out and it was flitting all around, and I thought, who is that? Who flies like that? And she doesn't know me. So I have to be sneaky. Oh, and there she goes. Okay, I'm back inside now. Look who is in there with my giant swallowtail, or with my Gulf Fritillaries. A giant swallowtail. This is one of my overwinterers. Their crystallized just happen to be hanging out in here with the Gulf Fritillary. So let's see. If it will be still. I'll get them. It looks like it's a female. I'll get her. Yeah, because we need more eggs. Oh, she wants to go. Oh, she's going to stick around. Oh, I love it when this happens. Y'all, look how beautiful. Oh, thank you, Miss Ma'am. Thank you so much for letting us spend a little bit of time with you before you go on your merry way. A few words of instruction. Bring us lots of eggs. I've got wild lime. Oh, okay. Bye. Oh my gosh. I want to stay in my garden, but I have an appointment. Appointments to me are no fun. But hopefully everything's going to run on time, and I'll be back here to play in my garden. And there's a Gulf Fritillary flying around now too. You know, when you have to be out and about running errands, you may as well go by Lowe's to get a trellis. I did not get a trellis, but I did get this. And they get to ride in the passenger seat, no less. There's several of them on here. It had to happen. And I bought a verbena, a little buddleia because it's got a bloom on it because I need more blooms. And I got this, little bulbs. We'll try them. It's made me think of you, Tyler Mack. Okay, so you guys, caterpillars, monarch caterpillars are my passenger princesses. I love it. Oh, welcome to your new home, little one. About to carry my plants in and put the new kids in the Monarch Mansion. What do you think? Should it be the Monarch Mansion? I'm just glad I have a safe place for them to munch and grow and become healthy, beautiful monarch butterflies. It's nice buying milkweed with caterpillars already on it, because then you know it's free from pesticides. Because even though Lowe says that, Lowe's meaning my store, says that the milkweeds they get are not treated, there's some plant growing places that use pesticides that still count as being organic, but they're not safe for caterpillars. Look at this adorable little guy. He's going to be joining the little chrysalises hanging around the tent soon. Hey y'all, I just want to say how much I absolutely love coming out now that I have little caterpillars to check on. I've got butterflies eclosing. I have a whole mansion full of monarchs down there. Oh, what a glorious day. Today is Wednesday and I have no plans, so we're just going to be hanging out and doing whatever. But first, I need to go put water in my floral tubes for my Gulf Fritillaries. Every time I come out here, more and more of these guys are pupating. Look at all my little chrysalides. So cute. That one just formed, and there's one hanging back there. Oh, there's two hanging back. There's three back there. Oh my gosh. There's two getting ready. One's pupating right now. Can you see it wiggling? Mm-hmm. Look at him go. There goes his exoskeleton, that little bunch with all the little spiky spines. Yep, just fell. Oh my gosh, how fabulous. We're going to have lots of Gulf Fritillary butterflies coming soon. I mean, look how big this guy is. And look how little this guy is. Adorable. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Okay, I topped off their water and I just noticed my little adorable ones next door, the Polydamas, have moved to the complete end of the stem. They're all on a little leaf right up there. Let's go see them again, because you can't have too much, right? Oh, and I have something else to tell you about in here. Look at how cute. I love these guys so much. Oh my goodness. Last night when my husband and I were sitting out in the garden, I was telling him about my little egg. And I thought, I'm going to go look at that plant one more time, because usually they lay more than just one egg. And sure enough, I found another one. And the reason I didn't see it the first time is because it's on the back side of the leaf. And I usually just look at the top side. But they'll lay them on the back side too, and I have to keep that in mind. Most of the time I find them on the top. So now I have 2 giant swallowtail caterpillar eggs. So you guys, I have so much to tell you. You know how I've been working on my side yard, right? Well, I have been researching, come here, sweetness, keystone plants for birds because I want to get some of them out there. And keystone plants are plants that provide the most benefit, the most bang for your buck. So this is a little Polydamas swallowtail who is not ready to fly, but I just brought it out in the sun. So you can see its beautiful little self. This is the butterfly of those little caterpillars we were just looking at, the little tiny ones on the end of the stem. Okay, but back to the keystone plant. Just put you right there. Yep, keep drying. You'll be flying a little bit later. One thing came up in the top 10 is the salt bush. And I took notes. The benefits it provides for birds specifically is it provides vital fall food, habitat, nesting, protection, shelter. It's a fast-growing, hardy plant, and guess what? I have a bunch of them because that's what's growing up in the pot with my tea bush. So I can take all those little plants out, put them in pots, and grow them a little bit bigger, up to a gallon size, and plant them in a row out there in the side yard. I don't even have to spend money. They were free. And they're also host to some kind of beetle that birds like to eat. I'd rather them eat beetles than my caterpillars. So even better, look how many of them there are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's even one coming up down there. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is fabulous. And something else I'm going to do. You see how the lyre leaf sage, which I need to come in and deadhead, has taken over. It spreads prolifically. So I have them coming up random places and I can dig them up. Like look, there's one there, there's one there. There's one. There's one. So I can dig those up and move them out to the side yard. And I've also got a lot of the coreopsis coming up. I can dig them up and move them into the side yard. Here's more here. Here's more here. And I've also got some hammock snake roots coming up, so I can move them out there also. So what I think I'm going to do is, let's see how I use all those tree branches to hold my weed cover down. I'm going to keep all those areas covered, and then I will clear up an area, like that corner I'll start with. So I'll freshen up all that soil, turn it, dig it up, except there's some wild stuff growing in there I'll leave. And look, there are Mexican sunflowers coming up. Can you believe it? That's fabulous. I'm going to leave them too. I'll clear out one space and then I'll bring the plants over. And when that section is full, then I'll uncover and start another. So I'll just do little squares. I just am back here filling some pots with soil so they're ready to go. And then when I find a little plant coming up, I can just dig it up and flop it in, and they're right here on the other side of the fence. And then when they fill out their containers and their nice root systems going, I'll move them out to the garden on the side yard. The squirrels ate my sunflowers. They just bloomed, and the squirrels ate the flowers. They did this last year too. And before that, it wasn't as bad, but I used to have a cat that would come out with me, and I think they know because he passed away. He was old. Um, I think they know he's not here now, so they feel safe to eat my sunflowers. So one of you, Cindy, a thank you. Cindy shared an article with me about squirrels don't like reflective surfaces, so I'm going to wrap a little foil around the tubes of hardware, the cylinders I made, and we're going to see if that works because I, again, have no Mexican sunflowers for butterflies. Can we even believe this now? Can we even believe this? You know what? If it works, I'm down for it because this is a butterfly garden. Like there was a flower, you can see. I cut the stems back already. Like they left the stem, but they ate the flower off, and I cut them down already. Otherwise, I could show you all the flower stems they ate because I wanted to encourage new growth. There's a lot of buds on here, so hopefully this is gonna work. Oh my gosh, how funny! But you know what? If it does work, I'm down for it. You know, I think about this year, since the beginning of the year, January, that it has been one step forward and three steps back with the first freeze and then the hard freeze and such loss of the butterfly population. And the challenges of getting flowers back into my garden to provide nectar. I finally got a decent number of bees back, but not near as many as I usually have. And it's April now. April of last year, I had butterflies flying, and today I'm lucky if I see one or two. I know that raising them and releasing them is going to help build up the population here, but I think about what about all the natural spaces? How long is it going to take for them to recover, and will they? And for me, the zebra longwings, they've always been an essential part of my garden. I have not ever gone without them. I've had a few weeks where we were cold, like I'm talking 2 or 3 weeks. It's April and I do not have them. So I just want to thank you for sticking with me and continuing watching my videos and supporting my channel, because I myself am beginning to feel like this is about butterfly gardening and I hardly ever have butterflies flying around my garden like I have years past. And I'm working to make a difference, but it's just something that's just gonna have to work on nature's time with a little helping hand from me. And on that note, I'm gonna end this video, get it up for you tonight. The foil in the background, I'm just like, I hope it works because I need my Mexican sunflowers. They are crucial to providing nectar for butterflies. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.